Hi there. In this overview, I'll walk you through how to explore the micromap using CellDesigner. Just a heads up, the micromap is pretty hungry for memory, so you want a computer with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for things to run smoothly. First, let's download the micromap from the Harvard Dataverse. The micromap itself comes as a CellDesigner XML file. If you just want to look around without searching for specific species, there's also a PDF version, but that's image-based, so you can't search in it. You can download each version by clicking the associated download button and accepting the license terms. You also need the latest version of CellDesigner, which you can get from their website, along with loads of technical docs if you want to dig deeper. But today we're focusing on exploring the micromap itself. If you're looking at the PDF version, here's a tip. Right-click it, choose Open With, and pick your internet browser. It's noticeably faster than using something like Adobe Acrobat. You can pan and zoom like any other PDF file. The different labels will guide you around the biological subsystems. Just remember, you cannot search the PDF version of the micromap. Now let's jump into the XML version with CellDesigner. Open CellDesigner, then click the Open icon or go to File Open and pick the micromap. Don't try double clicking from your file explorer, that won't work. The map can take a bit to load. You will see a little blue animation bar in the bottom right corner, and when it stops, you're ready to go. You should also see a list of species in the list view. Usually you'll start zoomed right into a white spot in the top left corner, so we'll need to pan around or zoom out. To move around, grab one of the scroll handles and drag. It's faster than using the scroll wheel. You can zoom in and out with the toolbar icons at the top. If you're unsure what a specific icon does, just hover over it. Now let's say you want to find a metabolite. Hit Ctrl F or go to Component, find Species. Make sure you select Name if you're searching by VMH ID. The arbitrary CellDesigner IDs are something different, so ignore those for now. For example, if we want cytosolic oxoglutaric acid, we type AKG and compartment C and set the pattern to equal. The metabolite will show up with a pink box around it, and any linked reactions will be highlighted in blue. One metabolite might connect to several reactions, and it can also appear in multiple spots on the map. Use the next and previous buttons to cycle through them. If you don't see the pink box right away, zoom in a bit or scroll slightly. Sometimes it's just partially off screen, and if it's not there at all, you'll get a not matched message. Now for reactions. The simplest way to identify one is to click its reaction arrow. The reaction will be highlighted in blue and linked to all involved metabolites. The VMH ID will be displayed in the Notes window. This is especially handy when arrows are close together or span big distances on the map. Unlike metabolites, you can't search reactions directly. Instead, click the Reactions tab in the list window. There, they'll be listed alphabetically by VMH ID. Click the one of interest and you'll jump straight to it on the map. Just make sure you zoomed in enough to see the highlight. And that's the basics. You shall be set to explore the micromap now. For anything more advanced, or if you run into hiccups, check out the CellDesigner documentation online. Happy exploring.